All right, guys. So in this video, I want to show you how to add product to your Konga store. In the previous video, showed you about the Konga fees, and the next video about creating a Konga store. Now, this video, let's add product to your store. To do that, go to shq.konga.com. Now, once you do that, this is where you can also sign up and start selling on Konga. But in our case, we're just going to click at the top right-hand corner for login. So it's going to bring us to a dashboard line. Looks like this. So here we're going to put our email address and password. Click login. So now log into the dashboard. If you want to sell on Konga, just like we did on Jumia, you have to go to Konga and dealer to find the watch that you want to sell or the product that you want to sell. So in this case, like I said on the video about Jumia, if you want to sell products on Jumia, you have to first of all follow the list of products that we know that are approved on this platform. We're not too sure about Konga as we are on Jumia when it comes to brand restriction, but just to be safe, you can sell within this brand. So in this case, let's say I want to sell Skimmy just like we did on Jumia. So I'll come over here and I'll search for Skimmy. I'll paste it and I'll click search. I'll look at the different watches on dealer and I'll decide to sell one or two. Now, this catches my eyes because I've seen this particular watch on Konga. So this watch is selling for 9,000 Naira, and I will go to Konga and look for this same watch to sell or see people selling similar watches and try to compete or win the market. So if I scroll down, I'll see that this particular person is selling for 17,000. Maybe if you scroll down, you'll find one so I selling for 19,000, but the one with leather. So just to use this guy, this person here as an example, I'll open this on a new tab. If you watch the previous videos, you'll see that Konga fees are quite less than Jumia. So for fashion, Konga is charging for wristwatches just 12%. So this person is selling for 17,000. We can actually beat this market by selling way less. So for buying at 9,000, so let's do the math here. Let's say we decide to sell this product for what? Let's say 14,005. If we find nobody selling less than 14,005. So Konga is taking 12% of this, which is times 0.12. So they will take 1,740. If you plus it by 9,000, you're buying this. This is 10,000. If you minus the 14,005 you're selling for, you're making around 3,760 profit, which is really, really good. Again, we can easily overthrow this person on the front search of a Konga by adding more details to our listing. To do that, I can just come over to dealer and download the wristwatches, go to Google Lens and search, or can click on this right here and right click on it and click search image with Google Lens. This is going to bring other images from different websites because this is what is selling on Jumia for 19,000. Then this is the Konga one. I like to search for image on Alibaba, all right? Because Alibaba, you see, and AliExpress, you see professional images of your products. So I've done that already, right? So I saw the particular one, or I click on that link and I came to Alibaba and I saw this particular wristwatch. Now, to make things better, let me close it down. To make things better than this person right here, what I would do, I have to come up with a better title. So AliExpress or Alibaba can help me do just that. So here we can see that they wrote Kimi 1868 digital watch. We can just copy this and edit it. And also we know that we have our pricing for 17,000, 14,005. Now we have to come up with description. So I'll pause this video. I'll download more images from AliExpress, Alibaba and dealer. And I'll come back and I'll show you how we can use AI to come up with our amazing description and bullet point that we can use on Konga. All right, so I decided to come back and show you something very important. If you want to download images from this website like AliExpress or the Alibaba, make sure you always open the image on a new tab. I've not said that, I'm saying it now, because you don't go ahead and download the image right here on any website for that matter. So when you open an image on a new tab, if you want to save this particular image like this, you can see if I right click on this image, you can see this image is on a web file, not JPEG. And some of the images like this one, if I want to save, is going to be on a JPEG file, which is what Jumia, Konga, and the rest accept. So let me just save this image right here. I'll just remove something, save, close this down. Now, there's two ways I can turn this to JPEG or PNG, JPEG most especially. The first way is for me to just screenshot this. So you can go to your Snap tool on your laptop. In my case, I'll just click Windows Shift S. Windows Shift S will bring the Snap tool out, so I can just crop this out. Okay. So it's going to appear here and I'll click on it. Any part I did not crop very well, I'll just crop it back from here. From here, I can now save it as JPEG. right? This is one of the coolest way, by the way. So if you want to do this, right, let me remove something here just to make it a little bit unique. Another way of turning into JPEG is to save it. Actually save it on your laptop. So let me just paste one title here. This is Kimi, and paste one here. Just bear with me, you will learn something. So you can see this is a web file. So I will go to the folder where I saved it. So right here is a web file. You can see the other ones are JPEG. So the other way I can turn this to JPEG is to right click on this and go to open with Paint. Open this with Paint. This can help you in any other thing that you're doing online. It doesn't have to be wristwatch or selling online to convert image from web file to JPEG. So on Paint right here, you're not touching anything. Just go to File, go to Save As, save as JPEG, the same image. Choose where you want to save it as, change some things because some of the image might have the same details. And you click Save. It's going to ask you any transparency will be lost. You say okay and you close this down. So right here, you're going to have two files. You can see here, this one is a new one you just downloaded. This is the old one that has the Chrome extension, which is a web file. So you just delete this one. So this is how you can turn your image from web file to JPEG. All right, so we're done with this one. You just have to, let me just crop this just to be faster. So now we have our images that we've downloaded from this particular website. Now let's come up with our title. I've not done the title, I only did the image. I had to come back to this video. So copy the title out. I will go to the notepad. I will paste the title. Kimi 1688. I'm going to remove this because it's not necessary on Konga. What I will do, I will paste this on two places. I'll show you why I'm doing this. So this is for Konga. I'll remove this Kimi digital waterproof. So I'll cut this digital waterproof. I'm going to put spots here. You just take our spots, just waterproof, pull wristwatch, right? Digital, I've got digital and analog approved. So you can see how I'm doing this in real time. Cancel this out. So why I'm still leaving this, because I want to use this to come up with our description. So now I have our title, which is Kimi digital and analog waterproof wristwatch, right? I think I should go with that for now. I can make this better and add LED and stuff like that. But for now, I want to come up with our description because this particular person here did not have lots of descriptions. So right here with this full title, I'm going to cut this out and I'll go to bard.google.com. This is the AI tool I use to come up with most of my description. And I will tell Bard, this is what I would do. Give me a professional description of my product. I'm going to paste the product name here of these products with features, all right? You have to put with features. You can see product name plus features. So I'm going to paste the product name, analog watches plus, I'll not say plus these features. Where did I get these features from? I got them from Alibaba. So you can see, let me just show you something quickly. So you can see we have the waterproof features with alarm, auto date, chronograph. So if you come down here, you can see the features alarm, auto date, chronograph, day and time, water resistance, waterproof, LED display. So you can see all that stainless steel. You can see it here. So you come up with some features here, you add it here. Then I'll copy all this, and I'll go to Bard and I'll tell Bard, I'll paste this. So give me a professional description of my product, this with these features. Okay, so I'll click enter, wait for a few seconds. Let's see the result. All right, so here is the description the Bard came up with, and I'm going to copy this out. Most times it's always good. Most times, if it's not good, you can go to view other draft. You can check out the draft 2 and see the way they wrote this and the way the AI wrote this. But most times I like to go with the 1 because I've seen that the 1 is always good. Sometimes I can pick some things from the draft 2 and add it right here. So here I'll copy this out and I'll paste. You have to edit this just like I did on Conjumia. You have to edit this. So I'll come back after editing this description. So I've made some changes to the description that we got from this AI. So you can see here it said this Kimi 1869 is a stylish and functional digital watch for men. It features a 1.89 inch LED display. Now, when I went to the Alibaba listing, I cannot find anywhere that says it has 1.89 LED display. So what I just did, I just said it features an LED digital and analog display, making it easy to read the time at a glance. You can see making it easy to read the time, but I did not put this. So all over the description, I try to match it up with what I can find here. If I have the time, I'm doing this myself, I'm going to check other websites for more details. So what I just did again, I space it to make it easy to read. And this is just the features that it has, which is going to be some bullet points. And right here where it says it comes with warranty, I don't know why it likes putting YA warranty. I had to remove that. So it's very essential that you get from this AI, this bad, and you edit it to fit human reading style. So now we have our title, which is this, and we have our description. We can go ahead and start creating a listing. So to do that on your dashboard like this, you click on sell an item. So right here, if you're not sure, you go to Konga, you see other people selling similar watch like you go to see the category that they list their particular wristwatch on. So we are just going to do that here. On this one, click fashion, subcategory is just going to be watches. So subcategory asking us if is it a men's watch or unisex. Looking at this watch, I just say men's watch. Subcategory rubber strap, leather strap, bracelet strap. I'm just going to put bracelet strap. So now we have that. We're going to add up to 6 images on Konga. So we already have our images. I'm going to click here to upload. So here I'm going to start with this. Let's see. Let me start with this. So Konga is going to ask us to resize it. Just going to click here to bring this down to this point. I'll click upload. Again, I'll do that. This is going to be our front image. I'll click here again to upload more images. So I'm going to make this the second image. Take this up here, bring this down, size, upload. Upload another image. I'm going to make, let's say this. I'm going to do this fast and come back. All right, so now we have our 6 images uploaded. You can see 6 of 6 images, okay? So the next thing to do is to put the brand. Jimmy say if you don't know the brand, just put dashboard. In our case, I think we know the brand, so it's just going to be Skimmy. So you can see it right here. It comes up, click on Skimmy. The weight of this, you can go to AliExpress or Alibaba and check for the weight. If you are not sure, this is 0.15 kg. So come over here, I will say 0.2. So here the product title. So let's copy our title. I'm just cut this out, paste it here. And our description, I'm going to copy all this and paste there. Okay, let me paste it here. So you can see how it appears on Konga. So what I like to do again, and the previous video, if you remember, I go to postimages.org and I try to add 1 or 2 images or 3 images on my description, so that when the buyer is scrolling through their phone and they see this and they come over here and they see different images of the same product, it's going to entice them more to buy. So what I will do, I will just add images that I have not added. Here on Konga, you just click upload an image. They can ask you to upload the file or the link, but sometimes I just like to upload the link. So just look for the image I want to upload. Let's say this one first. So it's going to appear right here. So just after the features, I'm going to upload another one. So click on upload image, choose the file. So let's go for this, for the function, just under the features, right? So at the bottom, before the closing, I can just upload another image and said, okay, this one I'm just going to do the physical image. Okay, so right here, this is the features. I'm going to highlight everything here and I will turn this into bullet points. So you can see how we are making this very exciting compared to this particular listing. This one is just very dull. If you're the owner of this particular listing watching this video, maybe you're buying from us, you have to come and edit your listing to make it better. So you can make your listing this good and you can have a better chance of making a sale. So now to come up with our short description, which is highlights of this particular product. Again, I can ask Bart to do that for me and just say, give me some features, okay? Something like this. You can see it's list 5 features why people should buy this product, or list 5 features of the product, or list 5 benefits of the product, something like that. So with this, we just copy these 5 features right here. I think I'm just going to need 3 of this. Let me just copy these 3 right here. And it doesn't have to be this long. You still have to edit it to make it shorter. So let me just paste this here. I'm just going to edit this and come back. All right, so from that, this is just what I cut it down to. I just want to use this. I'll copy this. I'll go back to our Gmail. listing, and I'll paste this. Highlight everything, click on this to make it a bullet point. So right here, we're done with all these sections. Let's scroll down and continue. So warehouse, would you like to warehouse this product with Jumia, with Konga? You said no. Now the price, we are seeing people selling the product for 17,000, but we want to give a discount and sell it for 14,500. How about that? So do you want charge 5% VAT on this? You can just do no, or you can do yes. But how many quantity do you have? So let's say we have only 20 units of this product. So 7-day policy is cool. Bulk price, I'll leave it blank for now. The color we want to sell black. Remember, this person is selling black here. And on dealer, we have multiple colors. So you can list the black, you can list the silver, you can also list the gold. So for this listing, let's work with black. The condition is brand new. The gender, I'll just go for male, right? Warranty, do you provide warranty for this particular wristwatch? We said no. Now, for search engine purposes, you can just put some keywords that will make your product rank. So you will take time on this. You go through your description and this particular product to put down your keywords, right? So SEO meta tag describe your store search engine. Separate it with the comma. So skimmy watch, for example, and do men's watch, men wrist watch. You can just do something like this, and as much as you can, and you come over here and you click save item. Error saving products, subscription limit. You cannot, what they say there? You cannot have more than 20 physical products. Okay, for this particular store, the subscription that we have, we cannot have more than 20 products. So, well, guys, this is how you can create your product on Konga. All right, so if you come over to, let me just go to products. I don't even know the store I used on this. So you can see here, we have a total of 24 products and 18 is live on site. 2 is sold out. I don't know why they don't allow us to just add this remaining 2. I was thinking we can have that. So, but this is how you can add your product to your store. This is just exactly how you can do that. If you have any challenges, let me know. I'm going to make a video with another store showing you how to do that. But we spent almost 20 minutes making this video. I don't want to make the video again. This is how you can add your product to your Konga store. Done everything that I can do for you for this video. Showed you how you can see other products on Konga, how you can get more images and more description, how you can write your description with AI, how you can understand the Konga fees, and I think you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to get your feedback on the group and help you get started, basically help you start getting sales. So next video, we are moving on to Gigi and how to fulfill on, let me just quickly say this on this video before we wrap up. How to fulfill your orders on Konga is almost the same way to fulfill your orders on Jumia. And I'm also going to make a separate video, short video, share on the group later on how to fulfill your order on Konga. But again, if you're using the Connect services, right, you don't have to worry about fulfilling your orders on Konga because Connect can help you handle that. So watch the Connect video on how to send on Jumia and Konga using the Connect services so that we can help you get started. You don't have to do it yourself.